Welcome to your tutorials. This is photography tips and preparing your baby. Now, there are a few things that you can do to make your life much simpler when it comes to photographing your baby in the session. Now, please check the guide as there are a lot of helpful hints and tips in there. So first of all, making sure that your baby has had that lovely big feed, whether they are breastfed or bottle fed, really important. Secondly, undress your baby. Keep their nappy on, but loosen the waistline so that there are no indentations on their skin, or at least very little. Once your baby has been undressed and the nappy's been loosened, just rewrap them loosely to keep them warm and make them feel secure and comfortable. So you've given your baby a lovely feed, you've loosened their nappy, you've wrapped them, and you are settling them off to sleep. So once they're asleep, lay them down onto the posing blanket and very slowly remove their wrap. And you do it slowly because there could be a bit of a change in temperature and you don't want to startle them. So to transfer them, place one hand flat just underneath their head and the top of their back, and the other hand underneath their bottom. And keep your thumb on their ankles, and that'll just help to stop them from sprawling out as you move them. You want to move them as a cute little bundle. And at this point, if they start to become unsettled or start to be a little wriggly, or that startle reflex just snaps in and their arms spring out, place a flat hand over their arms and their legs, predominantly over most of the body, and just give them a gentle rock. An ever so slight rock, just enough to send them drifting back off to sleep again. You also have the White Noise app, which I would recommend you start the white noise whilst they are still wrapped and before you transfer them, just so that it's there, it's in the background and they are used to that constant noise, just to keep them settled. Also, this is personal preference, but dummies and pacifiers are very useful at settling your child, and when you take it out of their mouth to get that photograph, it can leave the lips in a really beautiful position, like a really gorgeous pout, and perfect for showing off those lips.